Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Teft, and I am going to be giving my little introduction about myself. And so here's a little PowerPoint, and there's a picture of me from this past fall. And so a little bit about myself. I am a junior from Omaha, Nebraska, and I am majoring in advertising and public relations with minors in communication studies and leadership and communication. And so, because of my minor, that is why I have to take this course. But also, I have always really enjoyed the leadership courses, and I think of myself as being a leader in many aspects of my life. And so, I really want to learn a lot more about that. And so that is honestly why I'm taking this class. I think it's very interesting about all the different dynamics of leadership and how there's different types of leaders. And so I kind of want to find out what kind of leader I am, but then also what kind of styles I don't necessarily match with well and ones that I don't know of. So one of the concepts that I found really interesting about this week's readings was the three E's when overcoming um, tough things with a group, and the three E's were energy, engagement, and exploration. And one of the things that the reading said was that engagement and exploration cannot coexist, so that a lot of times you'll have energy, but you can't also have engagement and exploration. You kind of have energy and engagement and energy and exploration within a group. And I think that that is just really interesting, because in my eyes, I would think that energy, engagement, and exploration could all coexist, but I guess through research, it is found that engagement and exploration kind of contradict one another. Um, I just thought it was the articles were very interesting, and I learned a lot about how some teams, the science behind all of the team works. So now we'll get into a little bit about myself. So I told you I am a junior, and I am in the sorority Alpha Phi, and I am the new chapter president of my sorority. And so this year is going to be really exciting, and I'm really ready to take on a lot of challenges, but then a lot of also amazing opportunities. And so the picture on the left, you can see me on the far left, and then those are my three best friends, Maddie, Lauren, and Chloe. And we all live in the house right now, and it's just a lot of fun, and I love being around them. And then the picture on the right is my entire pledge class, and so I just really love my sorority, and it's given me a lot of opportunities and a lot of friendships and a lot of memories, and so I'm ready to kind of give myself back for a whole entire year. And then just another fun little fact, Planet Omaha is a corporate event planning company that is out of Omaha, and I actually intern there, so I commute three times a week, and I do a lot of that kind of stuff, so just wanted to throw that in there. And then, so a little fact, sorry my PowerPoint is not the most snazzy. I'm not a very snazzy person, but I twirl baton, and I have been for 17 years. If you don't know what that is, it's a little metal stick you toss up in the air, you do some tricks. On the left is a picture of me and my best friend Marissa, and then in the middle is a picture of us older people on the team at our nationals this past summer, and then on the right is a picture of one of my little students that I teach. And so baton has been a really big part of my life. It's nearing its end also in my life soon, but it has given me so many things. I've traveled across the globe to compete and to twirl and perform, and so it's just kind of a fun fact that I wanted to state. So I'm really excited for this course, and I can't wait to watch the rest of your guys' videos. Bye!